Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming network basics and getting local access. Set your PC IP to match the Fortigate management subnet, plug in the console cable if needed, and log in with admin credentials. Once done, use SSH or HTTPS to reach the firewall IP. This is faster and avoids serial configuration. If the device is uninitialized, you'll use the console to set an admin password and management IP. Doing this prevents lockouts and ensures you can push policies. Now you configure the core settings that allow ongoing management. First, enable SSH and HTTPS on the management interface and allow ping so you can test connectivity. Next, set the management IP, default gateway, and DNS so the FortiGate can reach updates and remote logs. Then create a secure admin user and restrict access via interface ACLs or two-factor authentication. Make sure to save the configuration and verify you can log back in remotely. This ensures finish by committing your changes and validating access. Ping the gateway, traceroute external addresses, and open the web admin to confirm functionality. If you are locked out, connect via console and either reset the admin password or restore the last known good configuration. This is the fastest recovery method. If access problems persist, verify firmware compatibility, expired management certificates, and security policies blocking your IP. These checks resolve most issues and get you back to secure, reliable management quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.